There's one mindset shift that completely changed the way that I approach AI publishing. It wasn't a new prompt, it wasn't a new niche, and it wasn't some secret keyword trick either. It was a single shift in the way that I thought. And once I made it, everything about my results changed. So if you've been publishing books, getting frustrated, or wondering why things aren't taking off yet, this might be the thing that unlocks everything for you. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's get into it. All right, part one, the shortcut mindset that kills most publishers. When I first started AI publishing, I was like most people. I wanted fast results and I thought AI was my shortcut to freedom. But what I didn't realize is that shortcuts create detours. Every time you try to skip steps, you end up spending twice as long trying to come back and fix it later. I'd publish a book too fast, I'd skip editing, I'd settle for a cover that was good enough. And every time, the results were the same. Silence, no sales, no reviews, and no growth. That's when I realized I wasn't building a business, I was gambling. That's when I made one simple mindset shift that changed everything for me. I stopped trying to make money fast and I started trying to build something that lasts. Which brings me to part two, the shift from fast money to lasting brand. That one shift from chasing money to building quality, that flipped everything for me. I started asking myself, would I actually buy this book? Would I be proud to put my name on it? Because here's the raw truth. The people who build real income with KDP aren't just chasing one hit. They're building a catalog and a brand that compounds. Every book becomes an asset. Every niche becomes a territory that you own. Every satisfied reader becomes a seed for your next book. That's the long game. And when I started playing it, everything got easier for me. My quality improved, my readers stayed longer, and my royalties grew more consistently. That's when I realized the moment you stop trying to win fast, you start winning for real. All right, now part three, the compound effect that nobody talks about. You've probably heard this before, but it's so true. Success compounds. Your first book might make $20. Your second one, maybe $50. Your fifth, $200. But one day, you look up and realize your catalog is paying you every single month, even when you're not working. And that's not magic. That's just math. The problem is, most people quit before they ever reach that compounding phase. They treat every book like a coin toss instead of part of a bigger plan. But once I started thinking like a builder instead of a beginner, the compounding kicked in. And that's when KDP stopped being a side hustle and started becoming a real business for me. And finally, part four, the consumer versus creator mindset. This shift also changed how I looked at everything else, especially how I used AI. I stopped using AI as a consumer and started using it like a creator. Most people just type prompts hoping for perfection, but real creators guide AI. They edit, improve, and refine. They understand that AI isn't supposed to do everything. It's supposed to multiply your efforts. Once you start thinking like a creator instead of a consumer, you become unstoppable. Because now, AI isn't replacing you, it's empowering you. So here's what I want you to remember. Stop chasing shortcuts and build something that matters. If you build with speed, you'll make a few dollars. But if you publish with intention, you'll make a living. AI publishing isn't about who moves fastest anymore. It's about who builds smartest. And if you want to see exactly how I built my own system, from research to prompts to launching strategies, you'll find the full process in my course. The link is below. Because once you make this mindset shift, you'll realize success was never about luck. It was always about the way that you think. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value, smash that like button and I will see you in the next video.